Residents were evacuated by boat as wildfires wreaked havoc along the coastline in Turkey's northwestern Canakkale province on Monday. 11. Officials said. Interior Minister Ali Yerlikaya announced that Coast Guard teams successfully rescued 348 people stranded due to the spreading forest fires. In a statement on his social media account, Yerlikaya said authorities dispatched 1 Coast Guard ship, 5 patrol boats, and a diving team after receiving reports of people trapped in the fires near Canakkale village. Of the 348 evacuated citizens, 7 were rescued by sea, while 16 others were transported to safety using Coast Guard land vehicles, the minister confirmed. The wildfires, fueled by strong winds and dry conditions, continue to pose challenges for firefighters and emergency teams in the region. Authorities have not yet released details on the cause of the blaze or the extent of the damage.